OneFin provides end-to-end lending technologies for fintechs and NBFCs. With OneFin, you get loan origination system, loan management system, CRM, as well as end-to-end collection management system. Here we will show you how you can simplify your accounting and bookkeeping with OneFin. The OneFin accounting system integrates with your payment and fund transfer flow to provide real-time visibility of transactions. You can generate reports and get periodic MIS along with a dashboard. With OneFin, you will have a tight oversight of your important accounts. You can also easily integrate OneFin with your existing accounting system. This will reduce the time and effort your accounting team spends in creating financials. And finally, we understand that every lender may have slightly varying requirements. The OneFin system is configurable to your requirements. So let's see how you can use OneFin system for managing your accounts. You can manage multiple kinds of books with OneFin. The books could be related to income, expense, or can be more granular, like a book for GST credit, for example. These books will help you categorize transactions into meaningful accounting heads to simplify tracking and reporting. You can also see all the books inside your entity details. You can easily add a new book. For example, you could add a new book related to accounting of prepayment charges. Books would be composed of different kinds of transactions. Transactions would cover all payments, disbursals, fund transfers that your company would be doing in course of day-to-day business. You can filter transactions by date, books, or whether they are balanced in your accounts. These filters are configurable. Transactions hold information about different accounting legs. For example, a payment transaction by a customer on a payment gateway would be composed of allocations to different heads like principal, interest, etc. You could add, remove, or edit transaction legs. You can do all these functionalities automatically via rules or via the web interface. For example, allocation of customer payments to principal, interest, late fee, etc. can be done automatically based on your accounting logic. You can easily generate reports related to your books and transactions from the system. Just select all transactions and export it. You will get all the details of your transactions. Now we will show you how OneFin system can integrate into your existing accounting system. To integrate with your accounting system, you just need to map OneFin accounting codes to the accounting codes of your accounting system. This can be easily done from a user interface. In this example, if your accounting code for late fee is I10013, you simply specify that and your accounting entries for late fees will be mapped to the accounting code of your accounting system. After that, you just have to export the data from OneFin and you can upload it to your accounting system. It's that simple. You can benefit from all the powerful features of OneFin system without worrying about compatibility with your accounting system. It will all work seamlessly. Want a demo of how OneFin technology can benefit your business? Contact us now.